So this is Budgie. He's 2 years old, about 35 pounds, and he is heartworm negative. I don't think he's been in the shelter too long. I forgot to look at that information. But he's not doing so well at the shelter. He is very fearful and very overwhelmed. Getting him out, I had to take it really slow. But he was really good walking on his leash. He was great walking on his leash, actually. He has been to playgroup. He had to be carried into the playgroup just because he was pretty overwhelmed. And when he was in there, he did pretty well with his interactions with the dogs, but he just seems to kind of be overwhelmed by, in a big group setting. They think that he's probably more of a gentle, dainty dog. And as you can see, he's just kind of a little scared, shaking a little bit, and just observing things around him. But right now he's at risk, so that means he is at risk of moving to our deadline plea if he's not pulled by a rescue or adopted or fostered before he reaches that point. So we'd really love to see him adopted, fostered, or rescued before he ever gets to there. But he is available at Memphis Animal Services. You can come meet him any day of the week between 12 and 4 p.m. And just know you'll have to take it a little bit slow with him. Come here, Budgie. Let's see if I can give him a treat. Come here. Want a treat? No. Budgie.